And, let's see, departure Southwest 464.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we need to level off here. We've got a little bit of a flight control anomaly. The aircraft's fine, controllable. We're just going to troubleshoot. Can we level off and make a turn back towards Vegas?
464, approved as requested. What else would you like to do, 14 or 15?
Well, we're going to flow it through 14, so let's go to 15. And can you just get a heading back?
That was 464. When able, descend and maintain 15,000, and when able, fly heading 360.
All right, 360 on the heading, 15,000, Southwest 464.
That was 464, turn right heading 080.
Right turn heading 080, Southwest 464.
That was 464. You just going to hold out there until you get it resolved, or you want to come back to Harry Reid?
And Vegas, sorry about that. Yeah, I was on the other line. Yeah, we're going to need some delaying vectors for just a few minutes, and you can start stepping us down, maybe get us over the lake, or just keep us out of your traffic, but we got to run some checklists first.
It's the best way I can understood. That was 464, flight present heading, maintain 15,000. As soon as we get down the east side of the airport, I can drop you down into a lower altitude.
Will work. Thanks. Present heading to 15, 15,000, 464.
That was 464, descend at pilot's discretion, maintain 10,000.
Pilot's discretion, 10,000, Southwest 464.
Southwest 464, turn right heading 170.
Right turn heading 170, Southwest 464.
And how are we looking there? You guys want to come back, or you guys want to continue on?
Not quite yet. Just a couple more delaying vectors. I got to get a hold of the company real quick.
No worries. There's no traffic in your area. I'll keep you out there as long as you need.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
That was 464. If you feel like it's going to be more than 5 more minutes, I'll put you in the holding on the Boulder City DOR.
No, we'll be ready for an approach here probably in about 3 minutes.
So you are coming back?
Yes, we will be coming back.
Let me give you the clearance now. So 464 is cleared to Harry Reid Airport via radar vectors, maintain 10,000, and you can expect runway 26 left.
Clear to Harry Reid, maintain 10,000. We'll expect 26 left, Southwest 464, and it's going to be via radar vectors. We'll need a long final for Southwest.
Long final, understood. So it's 464. Pass along the information. We'll have you a long final whenever you're ready. So just let me know when you want to come in.
We'll let you know, Southwest 464. Approach Southwest 464, we're ready for the approach.
Southwest 464, roger, I'll pass it along, and how long will final visit need?
Larry should be fine, Southwest 464.
Okay. Southwest 464, contact approach 119.77.
1977, Southwest 464, thanks for the help. Full approach, Southwest 464, 9,800, descending 8,000.
Southwest 464, Vegas, roger, flighting at 050, maintain 8,000. You can expect direct to Reno.
Heading 050, 8,000, and we'll expect direct Reno, Southwest 464. Approach Southwest 464. Just because we're having flight control issues, we're going to go ahead and declare an emergency.
Southwest 464, roger that. Southwest 464, could I get souls on board and fuel remaining in minutes?
All right, we got 141 souls on board and 180 minutes of fuel for Southwest 464.
Thank you. Southwest 464, proceed direct to Reno, intercept 26 left, localizer.
Direct Reno, intercept 26 left, localizer, Southwest 464.
Southwest 464, contact Las Vegas 135.0, yes.
135.0, Southwest 464, thanks for the help.
Front.
We're ready, Southwest.
Southwest 464, Las Vegas, Bros, Roger, proceed direct Larry, maintain 7,000.
Direct to Larry, 7,000, Southwest 464.
Southwest 464, airport 12 o'clock, 25 miles.
464 taken.
Airport 12 o'clock, 25 miles.
Sorry, Southwest 464, we had a lot going on that here. Can you repeat yourself one more time?
Southwest 464, just calling the airport, 12 o'clock and 23 miles.
Yeah, field inside, Southwest 464.
Southwest 464, cleared visual approach, runway 26 left, speed is your discretion.
Clear visual approach, 26 left, Southwest 464. And approach, Southwest 464. Just verifying we're clear for the approach, right?
Southwest 464, affirmative.
Thank you.
Southwest 464, contact tower 126.97.
2697, Southwest 464. Call.
And Red Dog 40 is about a 10-mile final, so in about 5 to 7 minutes.
Red Dog 40 contact, confirming 26 left.
Tower Southwest 464, visual 26 left.
Southwest 464, Las Vegas, turn runway 26 left, clear to land, wind calm.
26 left, clear to land, Southwest 464.
Las Vegas Tower, Red Dog 40. Is our emergency aircraft landed?
Red Dog 40 negative, they're on about a 5-mile final. It's not the Southwest that just landed.